Come back to my YouTube channel. This is the second version of the same strategy. So please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, okay, and turn on the notification bell so you can get notified whenever I upload a new video. Firstly, I'm gonna give us a setup for the strategy. I am gonna delete everything on my main chart and on my indicator window one. Okay, so we could get the setup for the strategy, because one of the complaints I got in the previous video that some of you are not getting the strategy very well. I'm gonna emphasize, right, this is a naked chart, so I'm gonna apply the indicators one after the other. Just need you to be very patient and stay focused and stay connected. Okay, I'm gonna show you the step by step on how to apply them in this video before I switch into the price action aspect, how you can confirm the trend before you can figure out your entry point. Okay, so firstly, this is what you do. You click on this frequency icon, so you go into the indicator, so you select a moving average. The first moving average is period 24 shifty 7 method with exponential applied to low, and the star is 2 pixel and the color is purple. You click on done. Okay, on the second moving average, you click on this plus sign, the one we have here, and you select moving average. The second moving average is period 150 shifty 0, and the method is exponential applied to low as well, and the color is red. Okay, star is 2 pixel and you click on done. So now I just apply the two moving averages on my chart. Okay, in the previous version of the strategy, I don't have the moving average red on the strategy, okay, simply because it is a scalping strategy, but I'm gonna explain the reason why I have the red moving average on the chart, okay, later in this video. Okay, so I want to add the window indicator on now. So we still click on this plus sign, so you click on this same frequency plus sign we have here, okay, and you select relative strength index. Okay, the period is one applied to close, and the levels are level 10 and the level 90. You just click on done. Okay, so you're gonna have this range here. Okay, this is where the confusion comes in. You don't need to get yourself confused, so this is what you do. You have to click on this indicator window one, okay, if you want to add the envelope first and followed by the Bollinger Band. Okay, so you just have to click on this F icon, which is located in the indicator window one. So you click on this frequency icon and you scroll down to the envelope. So the envelope I have is period 20 shifty 0, deviation is 10.900. method is simple, apply to close. The upper band, the lower band are 3 pixels each and the colors are purple. So you just go back and click on done. So the last moving average I'm having on this range is the Bollinger Band. So in order to add the Bollinger Band, you still click on this F icon, and you select this indicator window one. Okay, you tap on the plus sign like this and you scroll down to the Bollinger Band. Okay, this is Bollinger Band here. Okay, this is Bollinger Band. You tap in Bollinger Band. I have the Bollinger Band period 4, deviation in 0.100 shift 0 apply to close. Okay, and the star is 4 pixel, the color is purple, and I have the levels. So just tap on this pencil icon to add the levels. I told you what to do whenever you're clicking on this plus sign and it is not adding. Just have to tap on this delete icon, tap it and re-tap it so the levels can add. So this is what we do here. The parameters for the Bollinger Band levels here is level -1, the second level is -2, -4, -6, and I have 0, level 1, level 2, 4, 6 and 8. So when you're done with these levels, you just go back and click on done. So if you have done all I've mentioned so far, if your main chart and your window indicator one should look exactly the same like this. Okay, So at this point of time, if you are new to trading or this is your first time watching any of my video, all I have explained so far, you should be able to catch up with it. If you are still missing anything in this video, still feel free to contact me via my Telegram channel or my WhatsApp group. I have the description down below. Okay, so now let's get to work. Okay, because presently I am trading on the 30-minute time frame. Okay, because you want to figure out your entry point on minute time frame. So when you move into the daily time frame, so this is where this red indicator moving average comes in. Okay, the reason one is there is to assist to confirm the trend on the higher time frame. Okay, please take note of this. The red moving average on your mid chart is not for the lower time frame. Okay, so if you are intraday trader or you are in swing trader, okay, this is why you can use the strategy. Okay, so the difference between this same video and the previous video is just that the previous video is a scalping strategy and this present video is a long time trade. Okay, scalping trade and a long time trade. Okay, so let's continue. Okay, so when this red moving average is below the price, okay, you can see it is acting as a support at this point of time. We have the first support here, another support, which is a dynamic support. Okay, this is more or less like an uptrend, so this confirms uptrend for you. And so the next thing you want to do now, so you confirm your trend on the daily time frame using the indicator. All right, so the next thing you want to do is to move to your 4 hours time frame. Okay, on your 4 hours time frame, okay fam, and this red moving average is out of it, so we are using the purple moving average now. So on the 4 hours time frame, this purple moving average, okay, crosses below your price, okay, which confirms that this trend is done. I mean, the downtrend is done, so the market is ready to take an uptrend now. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so the second thing I'm gonna explain here, we have a chart pattern here, which is double bottom pattern. Okay, I can't really remember this same specific double bottom pattern, but at the same time I'm just gonna use the word double bottom pattern. Okay, so I'm just gonna read a little price action here. Okay, so when this market is coming from this one, it creates a liquidity at this point. Okay, you can see a lot of wave here, so it tracks up, clear the liquidity up, and drag down to clear the liquidity here. Okay, if you're a price action trader, as a professional price action trader, this is a strong move, which I mean this same green candle, let me zoom out a little bit. These strong green candles, okay, indicates that the buyers are ready in the market. Okay, so if you could confirm this red candle as the buyers are ready in the market, so I have the candlestick pattern, which is this red and this green. It is a bullish engulfing bar. This is a bullish engulfing pattern, okay, which also confirms my entry for this trade. Okay, which confirms that this trend is ready to begin. Okay, so let me just do a quick recap. Okay, I confirmed my uptrend using the red moving average on my daily time frame, and the second thing I confirmed, I went into my 4 hours time frame, I confirmed the trend, okay, using the purple moving average, okay, which is this purple moving average broke this price from below, okay, which signifies that the market is ready for an uptrend. Okay, so the third confirmation on this main chart is the chart pattern, which is a double bottom. Okay, and the fourth confirmation, it is the candlestick pattern, so which is I have 4 confirmations that this trend is ready to start. Okay, so you know, if you're with me, I said something in one of my videos that when it comes to price action, okay, I explained that you use price action according to what the market says, not according to what you think. Okay, this market says a chart pattern. It says the next step now is I want to go into my 1 hour time frame and see what is going on there. So on my 1 hour time frame, okay, and my condition to take this trade is fully made. Okay, so I have this bullish band, it's this same level, also in the envelope, which is the purple line. Okay, and at the same time I'm having a confirmation at this point. Okay, when this purple line broke this price from below, which is a confirmation that I'm having a trend on the 1 hour time frame. So I could take my entry point from this place. So and I dive into the 30 minutes time frame, which is this place, and what I'm having there is I have this confirmation, which is this first confirmation, and this is the second confirmation to take the trade. Okay, and nevertheless, I told you this red moving average is not longer valid on the lower time frame. So I took my entry point from this place, and I have been driving this trade from here to this point of time. Okay, I told you something earlier on the higher time frame that this red line acts as a support and resistance. Okay, so when this market dives up, okay, and this is a pullback, which is an impulsive move. Okay, okay, so when it hits this red line, that is also an entry point as a professional price action trader. So I can also take more entry point from this place, okay, because the trend is about to begins again. So that is that for that. Okay, so I just explained how you can convert the higher time frame to the lower time frame and figure out your entry point. Okay, the previous video it is a selling entry, and this same video it is a buying entry. All right, thank you so much guys for watching this video, and I really appreciate you guys. I really appreciate your effort. Okay, there is something I need to tell you before I sign up for this video. We have the zoom level, which is very important. Okay, the zoom level for this strategy, it is you have to pinch your chart 2 times, okay, which is 1 and 2, which you are using for this strategy. So I'm going to repeat that one more time. When you zoom out completely, you have to zoom in just 1 and 2. Okay, so this is the exact zoom level we are using for the strategy. Okay, thank you so much for subscribing. So thank you so much for watching, and I really appreciate you guys. Like I said, if this is your first time of watching this video, or this is your first time of coming into my YouTube channel, please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and share this video, like this video. And if you're having any challenges concerning this strategy, or you still want more version of the strategy, please drop your comment down below, and you can also private chat me using my Telegram handle or my WhatsApp handle. Alright, I have it in my description below. Until next time, I will see you guys in my next